Okay guys, for today's video, sisilipin natin si One Hand. And how does One Hand compare with One Hand? Sabihin, One Hand kay One Hand? One Hand versus One Hand? Ito yun, One Hand na online lending app natin and yung loan service ni Lazada which is the Lazada Fast Cash na financed by One Hand. Yan. So, anong pagkakaiba nila? Meron ba? Mas okay ba yung isa sa kabila? O what? O saan ba mas magandang umutang? Yan ang pag-usapan natin ngayon. So, sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yun ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so One Hand. Si One Hand ay product or service ng lending company na tinatawag na WeFund Lending Corporation. Basically, ito yung online lending app natin na madadownload nyo sa Apple Play Store or Google Play Store. Just a quick background lang with One Hand, silipin po natin yung website ni One Hand. Ito daw, why choose One Hand? One valid ID lang yung kailangan. Tapos, experience, financial empowerment, and literacy. Talaga ba? Consumer protection advocacy, no to legal lenders. Borrow responsibly, interest rate for as low as 0.2% daily. Maximum loan amount of 25,000 pesos. Tingin ko lang po we're using the word responsibly. Pero sana maging transparent dito sa mga ads. I know we're putting 0.2% to attract customers kasi advertisement to Pero, 'di ba? We're talking about responsibility. So why not be transparent on how the interest rate goes? Dati kasi meron kayong ad na 0.49% daily, 'di ba? Kung yun yung maximum edi much better na yun yung ipakita, 'di ba? Ewan ko Okay, government collaborations. We uplift the lives of everyone. Marami nagtiwala. How to borrow. Hindi na po natin papakita kung paano mag-sign up or what. So yan, basically yan po sila. And masasabi ko naman po na legit po talaga to. Ilan na po yung videos na na-produce ko or na-review ko regarding One Hand. And yeah, alam ko po, legit din po sila. Ito na lang po, bakit po sila legit? Kilala po natin si Lazada. Legit na company si Lazada. Si Lazada partnering with One Hand. Hindi pa ba legit yun? Parang a company partnering to a company. So, makikipag-partner ba si Lazada sa hindi legit? Yun ba sinasabi natin? Though, hindi po 100% argument yan. Pero, yun lang po yung masasabi ko. Yung opinion ko. So, gusto ko ba makita natin right now, dahil na-approve po ako sa Lazada Fast Cash, which is ito pong video na yan. Kung hindi niya pa po napapanood, check nyo na lang po yan. And yan po kasi ay financed by CIMB. So, magandang comparison po itong gagawin natin. Yung interest rate po doon, and then yung interest rate dito sa One Hand app. So, silipin po muna natin yung about this app sa Play Store or sa App Store kasi may mga crucial information po tayong makukuha doon. So, click po natin yung App Store. Okay, so ito daw po, cash loan amount is 2,000 pesos to 25,000 pesos. Cash loan term is 91 days, shortest including renewal time. 180 days longest including renewal time, so okay lang naman yun. And then, a maximum APR of 30%. Medyo nalulungkot po ako kasi mukhang hindi pa rin po updated to. And I'll prove it to you guys. Punta po tayo sa One Hand app. Ito po yung dashboard ng aking One Hand. Subukan po natin. Check po natin yung shortest time daw po. Click natin yung borrow now. 1 month lang po Wala naman pong nakalagay na 60 days or 2 months, diba? 90 days. Wala naman po nakalagay Paano po masasabi na including the borrowing time? This is my first time, diba? I would understand kung para sa repeat loan po yan na tipong pag nabayaran nyo na, hindi ka makaka-reloan ng 2 months. Tapos, after 2 months doon maging available kasi parang yun yung cool off na borrowing time. Ito, magsisimula pa lang naman po ako. Bakit 1 month lang? Setting of tamang expectation lang naman po. So, kung i-update po natin yung about info natin sa ating mga App Store or Google Play Store, well, okay na po. So, click natin 5,000 para mas madaling mag-compute. Okay, 5,000. So, sa 5,000, ang total repayment ko ng after 1 month ay 5,745 pesos. Kung i-calculate po natin yan, 5,745 minus 5,000 na principal, 745 na interest sa isang buwan. I-divide po natin yan sa 5,000. Yan, lalabas po na 14.9% ang interest, which is nag-a-align dun sa memo ni Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas na 10,000 below na loan amount and tenure na less than 6 months ay dapat nasa ceiling na 15% lang. And then, which is ito, 15% monthly yung interest. Pero kung i-calculate po natin yung APR neto, yung annual percentage rate, i-multiply lang po natin to by 12, lumalabas po na 178% ang APR ni One Hand. Siguro po, isa sa promotion na lang ni One Hand siguro na nakikita ko is merong coupon center. Katulad nito, 20% off on loan interest na coupon. 20% off ng interest. So, kunyari 745 times 0.8. 0.8 na lang yung babayaran ng interest. Yan, 596 pesos yung interest. So, lalabas na 5,596 lang yung total repayment ko. Is, yeah, okay na rin naman po. Pero nakita po na natin na nasa 15% per month ang interest rate ni One Hand. Now, punta po tayo kay Lazada Fast Cash. Open natin si Lazada account, tapos scroll natin sa baba dun sa may Lazada wallet, and then ito po, Fast Cash Credit. Click po natin yan. Papakita ko sa inyo po na this is financed by One Hand by clicking this hexagon sa taas. One Hand Privacy Policy. So, basically, ang provider ko ay si One Hand. Kung kakalculate po natin yung same amount na 5,000 pesos, try natin click yung withdraw. Enter po natin yung 5,000 pesos. And then, 1 month. Gamitin natin yung 1 month. Okay, sa 1 month, ang total monthly prepayment ko lang ay 5,200. Kung gagawin ko 6 months, lalabas na 1,033 pesos. So, that's around 1,000 plus ang interest. Pero kung apples to apples comparison, 1 month, 5,199.99. Kahit sabihin na natin 5,200. 5,200 minus 5,000 na principal divided by 5,000 na principal para makuha natin yung interest rate. Lumalabas na 4% per month lang ang interest versus 14.9% na interest dun sa app ni One Hand. Ayan po. So, clearly, napakita ko po sa inyo na mas maganda at mas mababa ang interest rate na pinapataw ni One Hand if you have access kay Lazada Fast Cash. Dito naman sa app ni One Hand, medyo malaki ang interest. Talagang isasagad nila. Additionally, sa Lazada Fast Cash, merong iba't ibang tenure. Nakita niyo yung offer sa akin, merong 1 month, 3 month, and up to 6 months na tenure. Versus naman dito kay Lazada app, 1 month lang ang binibigay na tenure sa akin. Kung magkaroon kayo ng chance na makautang kay Lazada Fast Cash na powered by One Hand and kay One Hand the app, you can do the same exercise na ginawa natin to compare the interest rate ng dalawa. And then, syempre, you know naman na your mileage may vary sa interest rate. At least nagawa niyo yung proper comparison, alam niyo kung saan kayo mas makakamura in terms of interest and in terms of flexibility sa haba ng loan tenure. For our question of the day po, let me know po sa comment section sa baba at may chance po kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Brian Bright F1P. Sabi niya, madami po, thank you sir. God bless. At Brian Bright F1P, shoutout po sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala namang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notifications sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!